We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hamilton County, southern EAS County, portions of Bosque and Comanche counties until 6:30. A severe thunderstorm is located near Dublin, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm. This storm may contain softball, repeat, softball-sized hail and 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Trained weather spotters 5 minutes ago reported softball-sized hail reported in De Leon. This storm will not only damage homes, siding, windows, and such, but also these wind-driven hailstones may create a great deal of damage. There's also a tornado watch in effect for that area until 10 o'clock. Additional supercell thunderstorms are underway south of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Hamilton, Bosque, Comanche, and for southern EAS County until 6:30. A destructive thunderstorm located near Dublin, producing softball-sized hail, moving east at 40 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.